Hello everyone, I'm Harika. I'm currently pursuing business analytics and coming to the assignment, reinforcing IT governance in the face of constant threats, written by author Felix Mukenfo. This article emphasizes on how IT governance is changing the face of growing cybersecurity threats. In order to reduce risk, adhere to legal requirements, and guarantee data security, the author explains how business must constantly modify their IT governance frameworks. The growing complexity of cyber threats is one of the most important topics covered. Business are now have a rapid growth of digital transformation, necessitating a strong framework. In order to protect sensitive data and operational integrity, the essay highlights that IT governance needs a transcend compliance and become a crucial component of the company's strategy. According to a study, the average cost of data breach increased by 15% over the previous 3 years to 4.45 million while in 2023. According to the current statistics, the these emphasizes on how important it is for the business to spend money on robust security frameworks, proactive risk management, and IT governance regulations. In the particular article, Felix emphasizes mostly on how the rules and regulations, how the compliance is must required for the current business era, and how it impacts on the overall cybersecurity threats. Moreover, author underlines the need of connecting IT governance with regulatory compliance requirements. Business must make sure they have a strong regulatory rules to prevent fines and harm their reputation. In the light of changing protection in the light of changing data protection regulations like CCPA or GDPR, as well as industry specific mandates. It is emphasized that modern businesses depend on IT governance to preserve accountability, transparency, and risk mitigation. The essay also suggests few frameworks such as COBOLT, ITIL, and ISO 27001 to improve IT governance. These are some of the best practices for protecting data assets, controlling IT risks, and guaranteeing adherence to moral and legal requirements. The essay concludes by urging businesses to make IT governance a top priority into their business plan and a cornerstone of their cybersecurity plan. Business may improve resilience, safeguard important data, and successfully negotiate the changing landscape of digital threats by implementing a proactive and organized approach. Applications, IT governance, and strategic alignment. According to the article, COBOLT, ITIL, and ISO 27001 must be implemented as a best practices for guaranteeing accountability, strategic alignment, and operational efficiency in IT governance. These frameworks were covered in Module 2. The article focuses on ID governance, supports the theoretical idea that in order to efficiently manage security concerns, governance structure, rules, and regulations need to be proactive rather than reactive. Data quality and security. The article underscores the increasing cost of data breaches, which reached 4.4 million globally in 2023. This aligns with Module 2's focus on the importance of data quality and integrity in IT governance. Poor data governance can also lead to security vulnerabilities, making organizations more, more skeptical to cyber attacks. The article suggests continuous monitoring and auditing. Regulatory compliance and risk management. Because of non-compliance can result in financial losses, reputation harm, and legal penalties. Model 2 highlights that regulatory compliance is a crucial component of IT governance. In order to keep organizations compliant and protect customer data, the essay highlights the significance of coordinating IT governances with the frameworks such as CCPA and GDPR and industry-specific requirements. Cybersecurity measures and threat mitigation. Because business needs to proactively protect themselves from ransomware, data breaches, and other cyber threats, cybersecurity is a key component of IT governance. The essay emphasizes on how sophisticated cyber attacks are, becoming and how important it is for business to put strong cybersecurity measures in place, like incident response plans, access control, encryption, etc. Module 2, which emphasizes how risk assessment modules and multi-layered security frameworks can assist reduce possible cyber hazard and also emphasizes these activities. Importance to digital privacy. This essay also emphasizes how crucial digital privacy is becoming, especially in the light of growing consumer concerns and regulatory scrutiny. Business must make sure that sensitive and personal data is gathered, kept, and handled securely in the light of tighter data protection regulations. And the integration of privacy protection into IT systems from beginning rather than as afterthought is emphasized in Module 2, which examines privacy by design concepts. In order to increase consumer trust and articles, supports ongoing compliance monitoring and open data management procedures. Conclusion. The article's ideas are closely related to the theoretical frameworks that Module 2 discusses. The article offers practical insights into how businesses can improve their IT governance procedures to, to reduce further risk and guarantee compliance by highlighting the IT governance, data quality, compliance, cybersecurity, and digital privacy. The conversation also highlights the necessity of proactive strategic approach to IT governance that addresses new cybersecurity risks and legal obligations while still being in line with the business goals. Thank you.